Hello everybody, it's me, Mika again. And today I'm playing, of course, back in Roblox. Don't press the button. Now you guys may remember when I made a video just like back in 2021. I actually made a video just like last year. And back in it was a quick round. Yeah. And of course I was playing the Spleef game. But no, this is one. And you might realize, of course, playing at the remember last one? That was the Pink Panther. And I get the house. Okay, someone's a seeker. Oh, I was actually a seeker last round, if you didn't know. So yeah, so apparently we're gonna build a hideout. I mean, no, build a hideout. So it's fine. Don't press the. Oh yeah, if you're wondering, that's the guy. He just turned invisible. Yeah, and of course, he's. And he also has his clothes. He has them in the phone. And I just realized that he kind of looks similar to me because he has brown skin, black hair. Yeah, he just kind of looks similar to me. Oh, by the way, if you guys didn't know, I made a YouTube channel. No, I'm not kidding. Use this. Please protect me. No, do it again. He might find me. Okay, he didn't see me. That's actually kind of cool. Okay, I'm just gonna keep on doing it until this is over. Oh, wow, I'm the survivor! Hooray! It's actually kind of cool. Oh, the maze. Okay. Now I'm going to listen to the Flintstones music. Wait, have you guys heard of the Flintstones? Yeah, I like that show. Yeah. The Flintstones is an awesome show, to be honest. Okay, yeah, that's pretty weird. Yeah, so for some of the people that did not know, this music is the Flintstones theme song. Yeah, I'll show you a video of that, like in the link in the description. I feel like I'll add this to YouTube for now. I mean, they'll still go on the Roblox gameplay playlist. It's just that I'll be kind of like adding the videos to YouTube now. Yeah. So apparently, you thought I'd be like playing this with Kesa. Yeah, I would kind of make it too much with Kesa, so I thought we'd kind of like take a break on that and see if I can get to like do it with some of my other friends, like Chloe, which is on vacation, or like Lisa. Yeah, so Case's going to North Carolina. It's kind of cool, I know. Yeah, and of course, they're not coming back until December. I know, kind of weird. Yeah. I like how those people fell off. They should have moved. Oh no, not the lava spinner. Okay, now it's killing me. Whoa! No! Stop there! Here now! Okay, now I'm being cool, guys. Oh my god, the spinner's getting faster! Oh my goodness! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, it was getting faster. I did not like that. Yeah. Oh wait, the bug is there, so. Oh, I'm the blue too, okay. Gotta love that. Let's do this. I'm gonna turn invisible. Because why not? It's kind of fun to turn invisible. That's actually kind of awesome. Find a crook pad. Bye. You gotta be kidding me. I need some luck. I need some luck. Okay, we gotta play spinning cube. Okay. I love that. Gotta get up here. Okay. The cube's going here. Okay. No. Get up here. Okay, get up here. Okay, you know what? Okay. No. Okay. Oh my gosh. No, don't go in the menu. Don't go in the menu. The menu is a joke, please. Not gonna lie. Oh my god, why do I always go on the menu? It's like my fingers it's like when I want to jump, it's like my fingers sometimes seem to touch this on that thing. Oh, they're clicking the button. I get it, they're clicking the button. Okay, let's see what the results are. The button has been pressed 88 times. Amazing score. Thank you, game. That was actually kind of nice of you, even though I wasn't. Oh, picture. Please, let me be in the front. I got like wow. Is this how people are in the picture? He's dancing. Let's see it. Yep, that's a nice picture. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not going to lie. This is an absolute nice picture. What the heck is that noise? Does it come from? We went out to space. 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 Why am I at the Portos guy? You mean you're in space? King of the Hill. Get to the top and don't get pushed off. Okay, by the way, have you guys heard of King of the Hill? Yeah, it's kind of like a reference to that. Okay, please get up. Okay, get up. Okay, knocker! I was stuck. She knocked me off when I was going to knock her. No! Okay, so here we are, King Panther, trying to survive. Okay, please. I don't want to have war here. No. Who won? Of course, me. Okay. But better luck next time to all of you. I'm not gonna be. I got skinnier! I can't even see my tail. That's actually kind of untrue. I can kind of see the tail. Oh no. Hey, where's the button? Wow. You already found the button? Wow, lucky you. Lucky them or something. Okay, tsunami coming. Get up here. Okay. Get over here. Okay, use the. Okay, just use luck. Get up here. Okay, here comes the wave or tsunami, whatever you want to call it. We're racing to the end of the world. Nah. Okay. Yellow platform. Okay, oh my god. I kind of like looking at the skinny, like the flattened body of Pink Panther. It's actually kind of funny.
I like singing.
Oh no, I better move away because
I like trains.
Of course, the train is gonna come wherever it is. And there it is. And it's the perfect cake. That's what I usually like to do.
Yummy.
The people that will be on I love cakes. Yeah, me too. Oh my god. Okay. got this friend attacking for the noobs. This friend is attacking for the noobs. Okay, go to the door. Okay, keep the statue protected. Go Pink Panther. Go Pink Panther. Go Pink Panther. I like that. Okay, wow, hammer new. Okay. So apparently, Build Island will have been doing a lot of updates, which is cool. Okay, I like how the hammer new depth set is kind of deeper because hey, don't do that. Okay, please. Wow, the statue is okay. It didn't even get like hit or something. No. My tire. Okay, I got it. The other people will do it for me. Okay, just heal. I got heal. Just heal. Pink Panther has to heal. Oh no. Okay, good. The statue was protected. Wow, why did the noob want to destroy the gold? Ow! Doges. No, they're doges. Okay. Now what? Blue platform. Okay, the doge has survived. Okay, I'm gonna go for the doge. No. Okay, good. Speed. Oh yeah. Where are you going? You're not going anywhere. You're not going anywhere. Okay, now what? Oh no, someone's in the kill. I gotta hide. Cause why? Everybody has to hide. Okay. Thank you for the music score, whatever you call it. Noob! Wait, what? What's that? Noob. Kinda rude, but oh well. Hope he's not pointing at me. That's Pink Panther. He's not a noob. So that it was going down. It's not charged! Seriously? Oh no! If you're wondering what happened, I kinda spilled my water bottle. Now it's all over the floor. My gosh. Okay. Gotta protect it from the water. Cause if it gets on the water and if I touch it, I might get electrocuted. Okay. How come the charger's not working? Okay, I almost turned the water in. He killed you. Yeah, I know you guys cannot see it. But... Oh no! Move! Okay. That was the... Oh my god, I forgot his name. Like, the guy that said, I'm a fireman! Listen, you've gotta be kidding me! I am stuck inside of the dirt! You've literally gotta be kidding me! Okay. Wow, you gotta be kidding me. I gotta resume my character now. This is crazy. Okay. Anyways, so apparently I feel like I kind of want to end the video there. Because, I'm kind of tired. Am I not there? That's weird. Why am I not there? Oh well. So yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys want to see more, just let me know in the comments below. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time.